As your local Mortgage Center broker team, we assist home buyers through the financing process every day. We are a family of accredited mortgage professionals, AMP, who has joined forces to keep the client's best interests in mind. Our award-winning wealth of knowledge is here for you to utilize. Our financing and banking backgrounds combine 50 years, assuring that you are receiving the best service and advice. The Hale team upholds a genuine dedication to the customer of life principle of doing business, servicing any type of mortgage need. Contact the Hale team today to arrange your free, no-obligation consultation. Skilled negotiators and number crunchers, the Hale team is equipped with a vast experience in the mortgage industry and can make the impossible loan possible. Whether it's residential, commercial, or seasonal, second money, or home, the Hales can help you with financing. Let us give you the keys to your new home and financial freedom.